Welcome to BSRT, and today we are starting our grammar lessons. And now the journey will be more interesting and bit serious also, because from today we are going to learn tense. Yes, tense. So what is tense? I don't know whether you know about tense or not, but here we will try to know tense, and almost whatever is possible we'll try to know. And I'm telling you that if you don't know tense, then these tense lessons will be so effective for you, so easy for you, that this will really give you an edge when you speak English more correctly. And if you know tense, then also I will tell you that this tense session will be really special for you, because you are going to learn many things additional to what you already know about tense. Okay, so what is tense? Tense is a time. Yes, tense is a time. For example, suppose if anyone asks me, sir, what is the time? If I say, right now it is 4. Right now it is 4 o'clock. So now it is evening. So it is 4 in the evening. Is it a time? Yes, it is a time, because it is talking about time, that is 4. But right now it is not 4. It is 4:10. It's 10 past 4. But I said 4. Please understand. Right now the time is 10 past 4. मतलब 4:10. But मैंने बोला क्या? 4. I said 4. Is it a complete time or incomplete time? It is an incomplete time, because right now it is 4:10. But I said 4. But if I say right now it is 4:10 or 10 past 4, it is a complete time. It is a complete time, right? So that's tense. Because when we were doing verb, hope you remember, we were talking about what is verb. You know, verb is the time. And when we were talking about tense, right now also I'm telling you that it is a time. But there's a difference between tense time and verb time. The difference is verb gives the individual time of that particular verb. For suppose, I am going to market. I am going to market. So the verb is am. So the verb is giving, the am is giving the present. Am is giving the time that is present. But as a whole, I am going to market. The complete time is present continuous. This is the difference between the time and tense. Okay, so if anybody asks you what is tense, then what would you say? You would say a very easy answer, that tense gives the total time of the sentence. It gives the total time of the sentence. It means whenever we speak in English, we speak considering the time. Please listen, this is very important. ये बहुत important है. Whenever we speak in English, we always consider the time. We always consider the time. हम हमेशा time को दिमाग में रखते हुए sentence बनाते हैं. Same happens in English. Whenever we speak in English, time is very important, and everything depends on time. The more we learn, you will understand more. आप जितना अभी जानोगे, आप उतना ज्यादा expert बनोगे. So guys, when we talk about tense, there are 12. Yes, there are 12 tense time frames. I'm not telling, I'm showing you right now that what are the different time frames in tense. So guys, this is the total tense chart, and it denotes 12 different unique time frames. You can see it is written tense chart 12 unique time frames. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. The topmost row has 4 boxes. The middle row has 4 boxes and the bottom row has 4 boxes. And each and every box has, a column also. The first column is indefinite column. The second column is continuous column. The third column is perfect column. And the fourth column is perfect continuous. Now, please understand the tense chart. And if you really want to know more better, please pause this video and make this chart. It will be better for you. Okay, so please make it. So guys, each and every box, suppose this is the first box. If you see the column is indefinite and the row is present. So this box is known as present indefinite. Just see how easy it is. The second box is present continuous. So this box is present continuous. The third box is present perfect. The fourth box is present perfect continuous. Okay, so you see the column and the row, you will get your answer. Again, go at the middle row. So it is past. So it is past and the column is indefinite. So it is past indefinite. The second is past continuous. The third is past perfect. The fourth is past perfect continuous. Like that, in future, it is future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. These are the 12 different boxes which we use in tense, and each and every box talks about a particular time. And I'm telling you, when you speak in English and if you know tense, you will be the hero. You'll be super confident because whenever you speak in English, even right now I'm speaking in English, this sentence was present continuous. So, whatever we speak, most of the sentence action denoting, you remember action expression? So action denoting sentence, we use 95%, you remember? So imagine out of those 95%, the maximum sentences we speak considering this tense. So you can say that knowingly, unknowingly, we are using tense when we speak in English. मतलब जानते हुए या ना जानते हुए, मतलब गलती से शायद हम लोग टेंस को यूज करते हैं अपने नॉर्मल इंग्लिश में बात करने के समय. But yes, if we know this, we will be super confident. अगर हम जानेंगे टेंस तो हम लोग super confident होंगे and that is the catch. Are you getting this? So guys, let's go ahead and देखते हैं ये सारे boxes में sentence बनते कैसे हैं. Okay, let's watch. So guys, now we'll talk about the verb formula. So now we'll see the different verb formulas that we put in different boxes. In present indefinite, the formula is only one verb, and that should be present. For example, it could be go, come, present होना चाहिए. एक verb होगा and that will be present. Feel, write, read. These are the single verb. Present continuous will have two verbs. The first verb will be be verb and the second verb will be the main verb. Okay, तो पहला verb जो होगा वो be verb होगा, जो second verb होगा वो main verb होगा. So be verb means is, am, are. These are the be verbs. जो is, am, are हमने देखा था, those are the be verb. And main verb में ing होगा. We all know that after be, if there is any verb, that will be ing form. Now let's go for perfect. In perfect, we always write have and the main verb. And whenever after have any verb comes, that should be past participle, right? In perfect continuous, in present perfect continuous, we write have plus be plus main verb. Okay. So after have, be, and then main verb. So main verb will have ing. Main verb में ing होगा because be verb है वहां पे. Are you getting this? Let's go to the past. In past indefinite also there will be one verb. Okay. And that will be past, like I went, felt, read, uh, did. These all are past. past continuous will also have the same be verb and main verb. But यहाँ पे जो be verb होगा, that will be was and were. Was and were. In past perfect, we will write the same have and main verb. But this is a past, so we will go for had, H-A-D, had. The last will be have, be, and main verb. So in this case, it will be had, be verb, and then the main verb. And the main verb will have ing. The future indefinite will have will or shall. Yes, my dear friend, when we speak in future tense, जब हम लोग future में बात करते हैं, we use will or shall. बात है कब will and shall use करें. Whenever you use I or we, जब भी आप I या we का इस्तेमाल करें, you can use shall only. Okay, but you can use will with all the subjects. आप will को हर केस में use कर सकते हो, even I will and we will में भी. लेकिन shall, but the shall can only be used when you talk about I and we. Okay, so this will be the one verb, and rest there will be one more verb, and that will be the main verb. और ये हमने पढ़ा है कि future के बाद अगर कोई main verb है, if after will or shall, if there is any verb, that should be mother form. Remember, partner verb. Okay, let's go for future continuous. Future continuous will have three verbs, will or shall, will, ya, shall, plus be verb, and that will be mother form, and main verb, and the main verb will be present participle, means ing form. Let's go for future perfect. The future perfect will be either will or shall, plus have, because perfect is the house of have verb, and this have will be mother form, and the main verb, and main verb will be past participle. Okay, now future perfect continuous will have four verbs. First verb will be will or shall, then have, then be, and then the main verb, and here the main verb will be present participle. You can pause the video now and look at all the boxes and try to understand that what kind of sentence will fit in these boxes. Okay, I think you have paused it, and now let's go ahead and try to understand. So now we will see what kind of verbs you can use in tense. So present indefinite one verb. So suppose, these are the verbs. So suppose present indefinite one verb, so I can write go. In present continuous two verb, be verb and main verb, so I can write is MR as a be verb. And main verb is go, main verb to go hai, and it will be ing form. So going. Perfect have आएगा या has आएगा, and then the main verb, so it will be gone. Then present participle, present perfect continuous, it will be have, be, and main verb, so it will be has been or have been, या तो has been होगा या have been होगा, and then you will write going. If you go to past, past will be went, past continuous will be was and were, कोई एक होगा, anyone, and then going. And now same, if you see the present and past, almost same. The first verb is changing, but that you can use was or were and then going. Now let's go for past perfect. The past perfect will be had and then gone. And then past part is past perfect continuous will be had been going. Please look at all the verb formulas. This is going to be, your instruction to yourself that in which box I'm putting what kind of verbs. Let's go for future. In future, it will be will and shall and then go, right? So it will be like will go or shall go. Then future continuous will be going, will be going. The future perfect will be will have gone, will have gone. The future perfect continuous will be will have been going, will have been going. So you can see how many verbs are there in each and every boxes. Try to see. Now pause this video and try to see all the verbs. Now we'll see the final sentence. Suppose this is the sentence. I go to IDQ Academy. Please listen. Suppose the sentence is I go to IDQ Academy. Present indefinite. Present continuous will be I am going to IDQ Academy. Present perfect will be I have gone to IDQ Academy. Present perfect continuous, I have been going to IDQ Academy. Past indefinite, I went to IDQ Academy. Past continuous, I was going to IDQ Academy. Past perfect, I had gone to IDQ Academy. Then past perfect continuous, I had been going to IDQ Academy. Now let's talk about future. Future indefinite will be I will go to IDQ Academy. Future continuous, I will be going to IDQ Academy. Future perfect, I will have gone to IDQ Academy. Now future perfect continuous, I will have been going to IDQ Academy. So this is the way you can write or you can speak tense. Try to see the whole sentences and follow the assignment that you have got. Open the assignment, you will be getting one sentence and you have to make all the tense ready, all the 12 sentences ready, and you have to send to Bhavana ma'am. Okay. And one more, Bhavana ma'am has already, either it could be a Bhavana ma'am or it could be your grammar coach. Okay. It could be your grammar coach only. So your grammar coach has given you the assignment. You see that. Okay. So you will get one topic also, 3 minutes topic. So that is also, you have to make it, you have to prepare it and send it to your fluency coach. And grammar assignment, you have to give it to grammar coach. Okay. So thank you very much. There are a lot to learn in 10, so don't miss any classes. Okay. So thank you very much.